student, the continuation of the previous video based on the bullet, what I have was discussing about that when you give the enter or when you go to the next point, by default it will going to take the bullet that you have applied previously in the first case. Now in this particular case, suppose you don't want the bullet. If it is so, then you can go for the none. See here, as soon as you go for the none, it come in this particular format. Okay, now if you want some other form of bullet, see here the different form of bullets that is available here in your word. You can implement that particular pattern of the bullet. Okay, this is the particular pattern of the bullet I have implemented in the second case. Now see here in the third phase, in this particular area. Okay, in this particular area I have give enter. See, by default there was 1, then it has taken 2. Okay, so these two I want to change. If I want to change it, I can take suppose AB. See, all are coming A and B. Okay, if you want to give 1 2, it will come in 1 2. Now this is the implementation of this particular area. What I have to do? First I have to delete this one. As you delete this one, now you go to the number system. See here, as soon as you go to the number system, have you seen it? Have you seen it? This is the first menu, this is the sub menu. So sub points, that means this is your first point and this is your sub points. It became now the sub points. Now previously what happened, when I want to change it, both the thing was changing. Now what I have done, I have deleted that one and I have went there in the bullet portion. I am taking the new one. As soon as I have took the new one and selected the new one, the new one has taken here. Now see the area where I was working, the articles here I have given it. That means points and subpoints I am talking about. Now you come to this particular area. What will happen? See here, if you take the cursor here and if you press enter, what will happen? It will give one blank space. So that means it is not implementing the other particular format. Now you go there, what? Now you select this one. As soon as you select this one again, see here article number 2. Okay, now you, if you want to delete it, you can delete it. Okay, you can delete that. You can select the different other headings. See here different headings and subheadings. Okay, different heading and subheadings menu that you can select. So it came 2. Now if you select the whole, the complete thing, if you select the complete thing, let us select the complete thing. Now let us give to the menus and sub menus. Let's see what happens. Have you seen it? See, this became your first heading. This is your first heading. This is your second heading. Uh, After second heading, this is the subheading. Under the subheading, they are the different other heading. So, shall I repeat the thing process again? I am repeating the process again. Let's see what to do. First of all, if you want to give the headings and subheadings, you select the total area. After selecting the total area, you select this particular portion where you have the third portion where you have this one where my cursor is moving, this area where you have the headings and subheadings. Now select it. As soon as you select it, it will going to take the headings and subheadings. So I have shown you how you can implement the different patterns of headings and subheadings in your document that you are working with. So if you select one by one, it will select one by one only. If you select it taking a group and if you select a heading and subheading, you have seen it that the thing has been the thing, this portion what is highlighted, I am highlighting it again. This portion what is highlighted by default, it will, as soon as you give the heading and subheading, it will take as the computer had arranged the headings and subheading for you or the pattern that you have selected for your work. Okay, so this is how you can implement the headings and subheadings in your document. So this is known as the implementation of bullets in the Word document. Different type of bullets that you can implement and that you can work with in the Word document when you are making your presentation of the Word. So where you require it, different type of writing your answer, making the different writing the right